What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I actually am going to be going to go check out an insane wildfire. In the first part of the video, and I'll look around the way it actually had burned about 600 to 800 acres, and it is currently Thanksgiving as I'm filming this right now, so I do hope that everybody has a good Thanksgiving. And then in the second part of the video, I did go drive the car around and rip on it a little bit. Make sure to leave some comments down below of some videos you guys want to see, and other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. So, of course, I need gas in this thing. I'll always need gas in this car. But I guess I'm going to head to the gas station right now, and then I'll finally be able to head out that way. Supposed to be like close to 200 acres or something that's already burned, which I mean obviously we'll get a lot closer to it. It's crazy how much smoke you can see like over the trees and everything. What I tell you, everybody's down here looking. They're home. These two valves sound so good. I mean, just listen to this thing. Check it out because I know a lot of people are saying that it was kind of starting to spread a lot. I don't really know where this video is going. I mean, I was just filming it just because, I mean, why not? So I guess whatever else is jumping into, I guess I'll see you guys then. Yeah, that was insane. What's up guys? So I had a little bit of free time today and I figured I'd go ahead and take the car out for the weekend and everything, kind of rip on it a little bit. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the car and then we're gonna get started. So it is currently Wednesday, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna be uploaded on Saturday, hopefully. I'm trying to upload at least 1 or 2 times every week. Concept I was really wanting to film this video is honestly I was just bored, wanting to go drive it around, and I was just kind of wanting to explain about like how two valves really aren't as bad as a lot of people make it seem. I mean, a lot of people do say it's slow, which I mean, I'm not gonna lie, they're really slow.
mean, if you just want to build a cheap car for fun, then I really don't think a 2 valve is that bad of an option. But obviously, if you had money to go get something else, it's like way faster. I mean, why would you not, I guess, unless you just didn't want to spend a bunch of money. And that was kind of my case. I mean, this is my high school car, technically. This was what I was wanting in high school. This is what I got. You know, I bought it, and then I ended up getting a lot of stuff done to it. And now it's kind of where it is now, and I've kind of just fell in love with it. And even though it is a 2 valve, I still like have a lot of passion and everything that's into it. You can make these things pretty fun for somewhat cheap. I mean, you can throw a blower on it, make around 400 or 500 horsepower. Now, if you was going over like 450, obviously you'd have to start building stuff unless you want your rods to kind of go out and everything. But I mean, for this car, if it was sitting at like 400 horsepower, I mean, as light as they are, because they're a lot lighter than a Coyote, I mean, it's definitely a really fun car. They do like a lot of power, but I do think that the sound makes up for it. I think these are one of the better sounding Mustangs that has ever been made.